Hello everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. This is the second week of the new year, and let me tell you, between the LA fires and a sprained ankle, well, let's just start at the beginning. So for New Year's Day, I actually stayed up until midnight with my partner, and we were in our jammy jams at home, and it was fantastic. We had a bottle of champagne, and we went to bed right after that. And then our friend had a Japanese yakitori party to celebrate the new year. It was a little bit last minute, but hey, I'm down for really good food, and you know that Japanese is one of my favorites. And then after that, we were going to head to Tehachapi to have a listening party with some of our festy friends. But first, some provisions. All right. Albertsons potato wedges and blue cheese on other hot food, chicken and wings, and then drive through. I forgot to film before this. Currently 8 p.m. on January 3rd. We're eating for now in the parking lot so that we can get to the Airbnb in an hour and go from there. This is our dinner. Albertsons pulled through though. It's real good. Spicy chicken, 1 pound is $5, and then 1 pound of potato wedges for $5. Tehachapi is literally 2 hours north from where I currently live in Los Angeles. We usually do desert parties, but as we're getting older, we want the comforts of amenities, and so we decided to rent an Airbnb and split it between about 14 to 16 people.
Hi, Kato. Oh, there's 2 Katos. Hi. Hi. Oh, no, don't jump in there.
No.
Oh. Cold. You poor things, you're so, I know. You're so cute. So cute. We have this master. Alright, we have conditioner and shampoo, which is really nice. Nice.
This place had a game room as well as fireplaces, a swing set outside, a hot tub on the back deck, and an area for DJing. We brought our own lights, and a friend of ours works for a speaker company, and we were able to bring a couple of those out so that we had premium listening quality. When you shake this slug, it actually lights up. It's like it's dancing to the beat. This was such a cute dining area, and then these were some tri-tip and garlic bread pieces that a couple made. We just ate, so we didn't expect this to be a feast, but it was so great that people were in the sharing mood.
There's 3 of them.
Thank you, they're so cute. Oh my god, I can't. Hell yeah. Oh. Here's a book on the history of Tehachapi. It's actually in the Kern County of California, and it was named The Hard Climb by the Kauai Sioux people, also known as the Nu'u people or Nuoa, Native American tribe. So cute! Loving these interactive sheets somebody brought. Okay, so this cat looks exactly like the ones outside, and I didn't know that this was not the cats from outside. The cats outside are not house cats, they just live on the property, but this was actually a couple's cat that passed away the Thursday prior, and so they were dedicating time with their cat to hang out with them for the weekend as well, which was super sweet and super sad, but I'm glad that they brought him to share the experience with us.
Should be sponsored. Right in the corner, bro. Like, wow.
We didn't sleep all night, but it's okay because the sunrise and later sunsets were just breathtaking. That's what being in nature does. It just opens your eyes up to the real world, and I'm here for it. These cats are so resourceful. This is rainwater from last night. It might look gloomy this morning, but don't worry, the sun comes out later on, and we do take a stroll around the property just for a second to enjoy the fresh air. With the pinks. Yay! Salute.
Oh, I got you.
It matches, yeah, man.
Yeah! As you can see, sunlight is slicing through the valley over here, and it's just gorgeous. Hey, birds. Hi, birds. Hey. Hey.
The world.
Yeah.
Higher than top of the world. Damn, boy. Here we go.
I love you guys.
Never change, but only to improve yourself. But only around it.
I know where they are, but I think it's towards the back. I know, I was like, bitch, you better go on there. Me neither. I actually didn't read anything, so. Fair game's a fair game, bro. Here, what about this one? This is kind of dry. I don't know. Can you flip it? Oh, yeah. Oh, hi, cat. Hi. Clean.
It's just water, right?
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, you're totally fine. This is bolted in, bro. For real. No, this thing is like, it's brand fucking new.
Please don't break anything.
Yeah. I know, yeah, it's refreshing.
You can't be bad at it.
Same. Can we just take them home so that we can put them in the same tree? I was gonna say, as the squirrels that my friend Giggles and Scott live by, I swear, their abode is literally like a tree house because it feels like you're in the trees with the animals. And they eat directly from the palms of their hands. Peanuts.
Welcome.
Oh dear. Meow, meow, meow. Oh my god, I can't. Salty treats.
They behave too.
Now.
Wow.
Yeah.
My hair never got that long. I grew my ponytail for about, I don't know, 15 years, something like that. But it made it down my back, but it never got longer.
We saw some deer in the distance, and then, I don't know, I just can't stop filming these cats. They were just so pleasant to be around, and they didn't even bite or scratch. I mean, here's bath time and laying in the sun because, you know, that's what cats do after a nice meal. Bed all by himself. Look at that. King. Bro. I wish it was me. And then it was time to explore the tent that one of our friends had built overnight.
Outside?
So it doesn't spill in here. Like it looks flat right there by our shoes. Maybe up to the left.
Drink it.
Oh, well, here, let's put it on the side.
Or just put it all the way to the side.
I just don't want it to spill.
Yeah, I can't find the spin for this.
It's a good sounding gong.
How long do you think?
Vibes.
A lot of atoms.
Ooh, it's still going.
Yeah, it's got a lot.
Inertia, bro. Yeah.
Wow.
It's gonna keep moving when it starts moving.
Sick. Yeah. Yeah.
What the high pitch is going? Is that the highs? Now we have vampires.
Kitty
Thank you.
cat.
Now we're all.
It just takes one.
Hey, kitty.
Hi, baby.
Oh, this is the third one. This isn't Socks or.
Oh, you named them?
Yeah, well, one of them has a dark coat and one
Yes.
of them has white claws.
Yes.
So Socks.
The zippers. The fish I've seen in that movie was fucking wicked, dude. I love that scene.
After you. Where'd these blankets?
They came from.
These basket blankets?
He was here the whole time being all comfy cozy by himself.
Looks like he's kind of like running. Like.
Okay, so we had the ingredients to make French 75s, and they spent so much time juicing lemons that were brought from someone's backyard, and then the vessel broke. So we had to do it again. And then we did it in one of our water bottles instead. That acted like a shaker. And then it was time for some lox on toast, because snack time. Shortly after that was a gorgeous sunset that we couldn't miss.
Don't step on that yet.
That's gorgeous. Whoa. Colors like these really feel otherworldly, and this was also when we found out that there were going to be additional people that were joining us that we didn't know. But luckily everybody was really cool, and one of the couples left, so it was kind of a trade-off, which was fine for the evening. Everybody voted and wanted to go hard the first night, which kind of sucks because I like to ramp up my evenings and then just not sleep the second night and crash at home, but it was 8-7 in the votes, so it was more exhausting the second night for some of us. All right, round two, bro. Round two. We went to bed at around 9:30 because we had been up for so long, and we got 10 hours of sleep, and then in the morning,
2 showers. That's luxury right here.
We didn't realize this, but there were 2 showers in our bathroom, so you can be sure we tried that out, and I can't go back. There were ribs for breakfast for some people, and so we fed the bones to the kitties.
Kick that out of the way.
Mine's video, so we can do whatever.
Ah, brilliant.
Awesome.
Like a pro.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? And
Are you doing airplane
10,
noises or cat noises?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Sound like it snapped, right? Yeah. Want to do one more for good measure?
Okay.
Because I definitely blinked.
Checkout was at noon, but Scott giggles. My partner and I left at around 11 because we were ready to go and wanted to eat elsewhere. It was really strange when we were driving. It was so dark that we couldn't see much of these windmills on the way up. From a distance, you could actually see like red blinking lights, obviously for airplane and visibility purposes, but on the way out, it was kind of cool watching all of these pass by. And since it was windy, most of them were very active. Giggles found a place called the Raven's Nest, which is a Gothic restaurant. Literally, that's what they are calling themselves, that played classic black and white horror films inside and had really, really good food. I was amazed at the avocado toast that Scott and Giggs got, and then my partner got an eggs benedict and I got a short rib with some spaghetti, and everything was fantastic. The drinks were also perfectly boozy and sparkly, because what is Gothic flair without some edible glitter?
How long has this place been open?
About 6 years now.
No kidding.
Really?
Very nice.
First time here?
Yes.
Thank you.
The vampire.
Okay, so everything was all well and good until I stepped out and sprained my ankle because I missed the curb. I literally went down as I rolled my ankle and it hurt so bad. We were on our way to go see my partner's friend that he roomed with through college because they went to high school together, and he was going to be moving to North Carolina in 10 days. And oh my gosh, I was trying so hard not to cry because sprained ankles are not the best, but got through it with some drinks and really good food. And the next day, since my partner was off, we decided to go to the hospital to make sure that it wasn't broken. Thankfully, I just sprained it really bad and they gave me a pair of crutches, and that is how I started the new year. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can reflect on their New Year's. Comment below on what you did, if you did anything exciting. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post every Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.